Hello students, in this video we will study about numerical 1 on energy density. Let me start the video. The point charges 1 nanocoulomb and minus 1 nanocoulomb are placed at origin 000 and 0.111 respectively. Medium is free space, then calculate total energy in the system. So energy formula is for the two discrete charges, it is 1 by 2 Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2. So it is 1 by 2, Q1 is 1 nanocoulomb into V1, it is minus 1 nanocoulomb upon 4 pi epsilon into R. R is the distance between 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. So distance between these 2 points are root 3. Now Q2 is minus of 1 nanocoulomb into V2, 1 nanocoulomb upon 4 pi epsilon R. R is root 3 again, right? So it is 1 by 2 and we will solve it. So this is minus of 9 by root 3 when we solve, and this is also minus of 9 by root 3. So this answer is minus of 9 by root 3, or it is minus of 5.2 nanojoule. So this is our required answer. So thank you for watching the video.